Now let's take a look at how the documents interact with each other across the frames. We have three documents in this frame set. The nav.html, which is the one on the left, the title bar, which is the one at the top of the right column, and the content frame, which is named content and has this default content.html document in it for now. And that's the one in this largest area here. This is typically how people organize their frames. Sometimes the title bar goes across the top and menu is to the left. Sometimes they're organized in different ways. But this is typically how frames are organized. And we'll notice that if I click on Info, this document here changes to the company information document. And that is, I believe, this one. No, that one. This is the content, and then the company information document is this one here. Now, if we look at the menu document, the navigation document, nav.html, we'll notice that the ahref tag has a target attribute. And earlier we learned how to pop up a blank window with target. This is what target is actually originally designed for, is frames. Target equals content, and that is the name of the frame that you want that to appear in. Remember, we named this frame content. And so if we were to, say, change this target to be, say, title bar, if we were to change this to title bar and save that, and then reload this frame from scratch, click on Info, this one up here, well, of course the text is way down there so you don't see it, but the title bar is the one that changed. Now, that's because we put the title bar's name in the target attribute on that link. Change that back to content because that's where it belongs. And then reload that in Internet Explorer, is the browser I think I'm using there. And go ahead and say Info, and it comes up in the right frame. So that's how the information gets targeted to the right frame. It's done with the target attribute of the A tag. The target attribute tells it what frame to load in.